In this video, I will be showing you how to fix your microphone not working in ChatGPT. Let's get started. First, I open up a new tab in my Google Chrome browser and navigate to the address bar. I type in chatgpt.com to load up the official ChatGPT website. Once the interface is fully loaded, I click on the three vertical dots located in the top right corner of the Chrome window. From the drop-down menu that appears, I look down the list and click on Settings. This opens up the main Google Chrome settings page in a brand new tab. Now, I navigate to the left-hand sidebar menu where all the primary settings categories are listed. I scroll down slightly and click on the Privacy and Security option. Once the Privacy and Security section loads on the right side of the screen, I scroll down through the available choices until I find the option labeled Site Settings. I click on Site Settings to manage individual website controls. Inside the Site Settings page, I can see a section for recent activity. Right at the top of this list, ChatGPT.com is visible, showing that it has blocked permissions for the microphone. I click on ChatGPT.com to open up its specific site permissions and configuration details. This brings me to a comprehensive list of all the permissions for the ChatGPT website. I look down the list to find the microphone option, which currently shows a restricted status. I click on the drop-down menu next to microphone, which is currently set to block, and change it by selecting Allow from the choices. While I am here, I also decide to check the other permissions to ensure everything functions properly. I scroll further down the page to review the rest of the site properties. I find the sound option and click on its drop-down menu, which is set to automatic by default, and switch it to Allow as well. After reviewing the rest of the settings and making sure they look correct, back on the ChatGPT tab, to ensure the settings are fully active, I open a completely new tab, click on the address bar, and type in chatgpt.com once more to open a fresh session. Once the ChatGPT main page loads up again, I go straight to the text entry box. I click on the microphone icon to start the voice dictation feature. A small icon appears on the tab indicating the microphone is in use. I say hello, 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 and the system perfectly captures my voice, turning it into text in real time. The microphone is now fully fixed and working flawlessly. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.